All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the cloudtrader app. I'm also going to show you how to copy and paste a trade from an educator. So let's just say you are going to open up your cloudtrader, right? You already learned how to log in. So once you open it after you've already logged in, if you've saved your credentials, you just got to click the one you've logged in at and it logs you in. I have a demo account that I'm using just for test purposes and training purposes. So this is the app. First thing I want to show you is this menu bar on the top left where you can see a bunch of things. I'm just going to go over a very couple things that are the main things you need to know to start with. First is where you can see charts, where you actually pull up the charts. The other thing is where you can click trades, is where you can see all the trades that you are actively in that moment, right? So you could also do that from the bottom. You could see trades in the bottom right as well, right? Now, a couple things right here where it says the currency pair, if you click that, that's where you could change between different currencies. So if you want to go to Euro USD, you would type it in, click it, and it would pop up. If you want to do a crypto trade, let's just say you want to do BTC USD, you just go there and it's right there, and so on and so forth, right? Let's just say we are going to look at GBP, JPY, boom, there. You just change through the pairs just like that, very easy. Next thing is right here. These are the different time frames. So M1 meaning a 1 minute time frame, M5 5-minute time frame, and so on and so forth. So let's just say I click the H1. Now we're at the 1 hour time frame. If I go back, click M5, now we're at the 5-minute time frame, and so on and so forth. The little gear icon, this is the options where you can look at all these different things. Not going to go over these right now, but as you can see, there are some great things here that you can use, right? So besides that, what I'm going to go over is actually entering a trade, right? So there's two places that you can do it. Right here on the actual chart, the red button is the literal button you will press to enter a sell position, meaning entering now, predicting the market to go down. The blue button is where you're entering a buy position at this exact price and predicting the market to go up. Now in the middle, you can see these are the position sizes, is where you could change your lot sizes. So if you want to place a 0.05, a 0.12, right, whatever the case is, right, this is where you change your lot size. I'm going to do a 0.01 because obviously you want to use low risk and also for example purposes. So for example, if I place a trade right now and I click the red button, boom, it'll literally enter us a trade right there. And now we're actively in the market. You can see our P&L right there. This is the total balance you have in your account. And this is the total amount that you are positive or negative with the trades that you're currently active, right? So let's just say we want to show more examples. Let's just say I want to go to NZD USD. I'll go to that. And let's just say here we want to place a buy. We click the blue button. Boom. Right? So you literally see we now just entered 2 trades and it's that easy. Okay. Now another place you can place trades is on the bottom left. You could click the button trade, and right there you could see where it has the currency pair. You can change that by clicking it. Ooh, yep. And then changing the currency pair. You can also change the order type, whether it's a market execution, meaning you're entering right now in the moment where the price is at, or a pending order, which is the other ones, meaning you're entering now, but it's not going to actually enter you into the market. You're going to place the trade now, but it won't enter you into the market until the currency hits that price that you're expecting it to go to first, which is not here nor there. So for right now, you're going to take market execution, so it'll stay there. Once again, you could change your lot sizes, and then you could also change your stop loss and your take profit. You could do that by, choosing a certain amount of pips. So you can click pips and it'll just auto set, or you can choose price. And this is where you can actually put the price that you want to get out of the trade with when it hits that certain price, right? So once you do all that, on the bottom, you can literally just hit sell or buy, and that'll enter you into the trade. Now, also on the bottom right, you see where it says trades. This is where it will show you all of the trades you're actively in. And as you see, these are the 2 trades we placed, GBP, JPY, and NZD USD. And this is where it's at. We took a sell and a buy. This is our lot size. This is the P&L. That's the price you got in at. This is how many pips is up or down right now. And obviously this is where it would show the stop loss and take profit, right? And you could also find this from the menu button. if you see over here, it says trades, and it'll take you here as well. Right now, the last thing I want to show you really quick is going to be if an educator or in, let's just say, our chat, right, a trade is announced, right, and they send a trade alert, a trade idea, what you're going to do is you're going to be able to copy and paste that trade. So for example, on IQ Social, one of the educators named Felipe, he sent this Bitcoin buy, right? The BTC USD buy. Now this is currently a pending order. It's not in the price that he wants to enter at. So we have to be patient for, but I'm going to act as if it is an active buy trade idea. And I'm going to enter this as a buy and show you exactly how to copy and paste these numbers. So let's just say it's a BTC USD. I'm going to go over here, going to click this, and I'm going to type in BTC USD, and that pulls up the BTC USD chart. Now, he did say it is a buy, so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to hit trade. I already know I'm going to click buy, but before I do, you're just going to see where he says the stop loss and then these exits are the 3 profit levels. All you have to do is click it, right? Ooh, click the little copy button, and you can see it says success. So once you copy that number, if you copy the stop loss, you just click stop loss, click price, and right there, you're going to paste the price of the stop loss into right there. Now for the take profit, you're going to go in the exits. You could choose how far you want to take the trade. I'm going to do exit 1. Ooh, I'm going to hit the copy button, success. Go back over here, go to the take profit, hit price, and I'm going to paste that right here. Right? And now we have successfully copy and paste this Bitcoin position with the stop loss and the exit. And then from there, I got to take the stop losses out because the trade is not currently ready to set up. So to actually enter and show you guys as an example, I'm going to have to do that, right? So for example, we copy and pasted the trade. Now all you have to do is click buy, boom. And now you're in this buy position. You can see that's where you entered, and you can hit trades down here. And you could see now we're also in this Bitcoin trade as well as the other ones we have placed, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully this helps. Since you are on a demo account, what I think is a great idea is for you to just play around. The purpose of the demo account is to learn, is to practice. This is the same trading app and the same type of account that people make millions of dollars from, right? So you got to go through, you got to go through the lessons, you got to go through the learning so you could drop the L and get to the earning. And so that's what this is for, especially during demo. So go ahead and play around, type in different pairs and, just, enter into some trades, get used to it, right? So let's just say, ooh, that lot size was too big. 0.5. Use different lot sizes if you want to see what it's like when you enter different positions, right? So I just entered Euro AUD as a sell. I can go to trades and you can see now Euro AUD as a sell is also there. It's a higher lot size, so you could maybe see the difference of how big the lot changes the amount of money that you're making or losing, right? So that's pretty much the app, guys. That's the basics of it. And play around, practice, get used to it. Get ready this week. If you're brand new, use this week to copy and paste the educator's trades on your demo. You're going to have to mess up a couple times, and that's why we use the demo first. So go ahead and do that. And any questions you have, ask in the chat. We're here for you, and we're going to help you. So just ask away.